back to reality. Nothing ever goes.
2,000 years later.
In India, compact cars don't just commute, they carry families. That's why with Punch, we didn't upgrade safety, we democratized it. 5-star protection without asking you to buy bigger. The structure remains intact. The passenger compartment stays stable. Critical safety systems perform exactly as designed. Impact forces are absorbed and distributed. Occupant protection is maintained. Every key parameter, structural integrity, passenger safety, and restraint performance meets and exceeds expectations.